Hey, what's up? If you're looking for a powerful platform to grow your business, you need to check out HubSpot. HubSpot is the ultimate CRM, marketing automation, and customer service software that helps you attract, engage, and delight your customers. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get an amazing deal on HubSpot that will save you thousands of dollars. Sounds good? Then keep watching. HubSpot has everything you need to manage your contacts, create stunning websites, send personalized emails, generate leads, and analyze your performance. Whether you're a small business owner, a startup founder, or a marketing professional, HubSpot can help you achieve your goals and scale your business. But here's the catch. HubSpot can be quite expensive. Depending on the plan you choose, you could end up paying hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month. That's why I'm super excited to share with you a secret way to get HubSpot for a fraction of the price. That's right, you can get HubSpot for up to 90% off for 1 year. That's a savings of up to $7,000. How awesome is that? But before I reveal how you can get this deal, let me tell you who is eligible for it. This deal is only for startups that are under 2 years old and have less than 10 employees. If that's you, congratulations, you qualify for this amazing offer. But there's one more thing you need to do. You need to sign up for a Secret Premium membership. Secret is a platform that gives you access to exclusive deals and discounts on the best tools and services for startups. By becoming a Secret Premium member, you can unlock this HubSpot deal and many others. It's totally worth it. But don't worry if you're not a startup or if you don't want to join Secret, you can still get a great deal on HubSpot. You could get 30% off for 1 year, which is still a savings of up to $2,000. That's not bad at all, right? So how do you get these deals? It's very simple. Just click the link in the description below and follow the instructions. You'll be redirected to the official HubSpot website or Secret platform, where you can claim your offer and start using HubSpot right away. But hurry up, these deals won't last forever. Don't miss this opportunity to get HubSpot for a steal and take your business to the next level. And if you're wondering if HubSpot is the right choice for you, or if you want to compare it with other alternatives, I've got you covered. I've created a detailed comparison table that shows you the pros and cons of HubSpot and its competitors, such as Freshworks, Zendesk, Pipedrive, Segment, Intercom, and EngageBay. You can find the link to the table in the description below as well. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.